What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Detail in the Shadow. Today, I just want to start off by taking care of business first. This is an educational video for research purposes, and is purely for entertainment in the eyes of research and science. I am not showing how to disassemble or reassemble any of these firearms. We're just going to be talking about some of the internal parts. This is a hypothesis to the Garand video where he froze a lot of different firearms to see if they would work after being dipped in liquid nitrogen, which is actually quite a intense, extreme test. And a couple of them work. The one that I have was the one that stood out the most, the M&P M2.0. This is the lower frame of that M&P M2.0. And my hypothesis is one of the reasons why it did fire is because of this trigger bar having just that much space in between itself and the frame here. Now, I have a Glock here, and this one did not shoot. And my guess would be, is you can see how close the trigger bar is to the frame. If it would freeze together, you would not be able to pull that trigger, as opposed to the M&P. It has more clearance for the trigger bar. And like I mentioned, this is just my hypothesis on why it did shoot. That clearance right there, you can still pull the trigger if that trigger bar is not frozen to the frame, as opposed to the Glock, where the trigger bar is not that much clearance. So it freezing and not being able to pull the trigger may be a point of failure. And if you have any thoughts or ideas about why the M&P was so successful at being frozen in liquid nitrogen, leave them down in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.